Alright, so I have the light and pigment worksheet that I am going to review. As you can see, there's two different color wheels, one for light and one for pigment. They're similar, but not very, they're similar in the way that they use the same colors, but they're kind of the opposite as well. So looking at light, the three big ones are going to be your primary colors. So we have blue, we have green, and then we have red. So those are your three primary colors for light. If we were to mix green and red, you're going to get yellow. If you mix blue and green, you're going to get cyan. And if you mix red and blue, you're going to get magenta. And then again, if you mix all three primary colors in the middle, you would get white. Then looking at the pigment color wheel, our three primary colors are going to be yellow, we're going to have magenta, and then cyan. Mixing magenta and cyan, we're going to get blue. Cyan and yellow will give you green. And then yellow and magenta will be red. And in the middle, you'll get black. That would be the mixing of yellow, magenta, and cyan. And then we can answer these colors using the color wheel. So when the light of all visible frequencies are mixed together, you're going to get white light. White light can result from the combination of only. So looking at our light, if we want white and we only want three colors, we're going to be looking at our primary colors. So that would be blue, green, and red. And these are the primary colors of light. And then we can look at our combination of lights here. So if we have red and green light, so red and green will give us that yellow. Red and blue will give us magenta. And then blue and green will give us cyan. Looking at when two different colors are added together to produce white light, we call these complementary colors. So we can look at our complementary colors here. So if we have yellow, what would be our color we needed to make white light? So looking at where yellow is located on the color wheel, it is going to be whatever color is across from it. So yellow is made up of green and red. So our third primary would be blue. Looking at magenta, magenta is made up of blue and red. So we would need green to make white light. And then cyan, cyan is made of blue and green. So our third primary would be red. And that is it for the light and pigment review.